Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chairman and board members of Easy Paisa Bank Limited, members of the Pakistan Banks Association Executive Committee, CEOs of digital banks and CEOs of digital banks and my colleagues from State Bank of Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you today on this historic occasion as we celebrate a defining chapter in Pakistan's financial history by awarding the very first digital retail bank license to Easy Paisa Bank Limited. This moment represents our collective aspirations to empower our people by embracing technological innovation and transforming the way financial services are accessed and delivered in Pakistan. This is not just a celebration of a milestone. It is a testament to our shared vision for digitally enabled and inclusive financial ecosystem. Today, I would like to reflect on the significance of this regulatory initiative, touch upon some of the key challenges, and share the vision that propels us forward. Ladies and gentlemen, in an era where technology is reshaping industries across the globe, the financial sector cannot afford to remain at the sidelines. Pakistan's journey towards digital financial services began in the early 2000s. Over the years, we have launched numerous enabling regulatory frameworks for digital banking, including regulatory framework for branchless banking, electronic money institutions regulations, Roshan digital account, RAS digital onboarding framework, and Asan mobile accounts, and many others. Each of these initiatives has been a step forward in modernizing the digital financial landscape. However, a revolutionary turning point came in January 2022 with the issuance of the licensing and regulatory framework for digital banks. This framework has re-energized our efforts for digital transformation in our banking industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the response on this initiative has been overwhelming. The application process attracted interest from a diverse group of global and local applicants, reflecting their trust in Pakistan's financial sector and the immense potential for investment in our country. After a rigorous and thorough assessment process, 5 applicants were granted no objection certificates in January 2023. These institutions were selected based on their strong value propositions, robust technological infrastructure, extensive experience, financial strength, technical expertise, and effective risk management cultures. The 5 successful applicants are: number 1, Easy Paisa Bank Limited; number 2, Mashrak Bank Pakistan Limited; number 3, Hogo Bank Pakistan; number 4, Rakmi Islamic Digital Bank Limited; and 5th, KT Bank Pakistan Limited. By September 2023, these institutions were awarded in principle approvals to operationally prepare themselves to meet the requirements for obtaining a digital retail bank license in Pakistan. Today, we celebrate Easy Paisa Bank Limited as the first recipient of this license, while the other 4 institutions work diligently to follow this suit. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's financial landscape presents unique challenges and opportunities. Despite being the fifth most populous country in the world, nearly half of our adult population remains unbanked. These statistics highlight the immense potential for growth in financial inclusion. Digital banking offers us the opportunity to bridge this gap, enabling millions of unbanked individuals to access formal financial services and do better for their own well-being as well as for the economy of the country. As we embark on this exciting journey, we believe that Easy Paisa Bank Limited and other four institutions will align their business models with the main objectives of this regulatory framework, which was issued in early 2022. And as we know, these objectives included number one, promotion of financial inclusion. Number two, provision of credit access to unserved and underserved. Number three, provision of affordable and cost-effective digital financial services. And four, fostering a new set of customer experience. And last but not the least, strengthening the digital ecosystem in the country. The issuance of these licenses is the first step in a transformative journey, a journey that has the potential to redefine financial access and inclusion in Pakistan. With increasing penetration of smartphones and internet services, especially in rural areas, digital banks can connect underserved and geographically remote populations to formal financial services. Additionally, digital banks can empower small and medium enterprises, SMEs, which form the backbone of the Pakistan's economy, by offering simplified credit products, innovative cash flow management tools, and streamlined trade financing. These banks can provide SMEs with the resources needed by them to grow and thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this milestone, we must also remain mindful of the responsibilities that lie ahead of us. The rapid pace of technological advancements presents both opportunities and challenges. To navigate this evolving landscape, digital banks must focus on two critical areas: digital literacy and cybersecurity. The banks must invest in digital literacy programs to equip customers with the knowledge and confidence for effective use of digital financial services. The banks must also need to implement robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard customers' trust in the financial system. By diligently addressing these priorities, we can collectively cultivate a resilient digital financial ecosystem that is characterized by inclusivity and accessibility. In the end, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Easy Paisa Bank Limited, as well as to the SBP team and all those who have worked tirelessly to make this milestone possible. This is a proud day for all of us, as we are embarking on a new journey of digital banking in Pakistan. Let us continue to work together to harness the power of digital transformation and create a financial ecosystem that truly serves the financial services needs of the people of Pakistan. Thank you so much for your attention.